Whether you're an adventure seeker, a city explorer, or someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Canada has it all. Let's dive into the most breathtaking spots you must visit this summer. 1. One of the world's most iconic destinations. Experience Lake Louise and Maligne Lake's crystal clear waters, mountain peaks, and hot springs. Great for hiking, photography, and peaceful retreats. 2. Jasper National Park, 050 less crowded but equally magical. Explore Maligne Lake. Go on a Skytram ride or drive the Icefields. Parkway. Ideal for those seeking nature and tranquility. 3. Vancouver, 120 this West Coast gem offers mountains, beaches, multicultural food, and lively neighborhoods. Visit Stanley Park, Granville Island, and Capilano Suspension Bridge. 4. Whistler, 150th summer sports paradise. Do mountain biking, zip lining, hiking, or enjoy scenic gondola rides. Whistler is a thrill seeker's dream. 5. Quebec City to 20. Step into a European fairy tale. Walk through old Quebec, explore Joe Frontenac, and taste local dishes. Don't miss Montmorency Falls. 6. Prince Edward Island to 50 red sand beaches, lighthouses, and out of Green Gables heritage. Relax by the coast and enjoy fresh seafood. 7. Cabot Trail, Nova Scotia, 320. One of the world's most scenic coastal drives. Perfect for road trips, whale watching, and cozy seaside villages. 8. Tofino, 350 located on Vancouver Island. Great for surfing, hot springs, and rainforest hikes. Tofino is raw, natural, and absolutely peaceful. 9. Montreal for 20. A cultural hub with summer festivals, world-class cuisine, and historic neighborhoods. Walk through old Montreal and enjoy Mount Royal Park. 10. Canoeing and possibly catching the northern lights in summer. A real wilderness experience. Best hotels to stay in, 520. The Outer Banff, family-friendly and adventure-focused. Noble Hotel Toronto, modern luxury meets gourmet dining. Toronto Mediterranean excellence. Pearl Morissette, award-winning farm-to-table experience. Teneri Cube, Quebec City, unique Quebecois tasting menu. Tips for living and traveling in Canada, 620 cost of living, 2,500 Canadian dollars, 3,000 month single. Best time to visit, June to August. Language, English and French. Tap water is drinkable and safe. Transport, trains, buses, and flights are well connected. Call to action, 7 o'clock. If you love this guide, hit that like button. Subscribe for more global travel content, and comment below with the destination you'd love to visit in Canada. Share this video with fellow travelers and help them plan their next unforgettable summer.